Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And I'm shooting videos after so long time, and I will try to make videos regularly. So my Redmi Note 4 is completely broken, that's why I'm not shooting videos. And today I'm going to unbox this power bank which I have purchased in twogood.com. So I am going to give the review of this power bank. So this is 10,000 mAh power bank, and as you can see this is completely sealed. So let me open this and let me show you what are the inside contents of this box. So let me cut it through my scissor. So guys, COVID-19 is spreading in India extremely, so stay at home, use masks and sanitizers, and wash your hands whenever you go outside and come to home. So here, as you can see, this is for power bank, and I think this is in black color. So let me open this. So it is in bubble sheet so that your power bank can't get damaged if it gets pressed. So let me open this. It's very tight, so let me cut it. And I think this is not used power bank, so it came in bubble sheet. I have purchased unboxed like new, so you can purchase depending upon the condition. So if you purchase this condition, then you will get completely unused product. So here, as you can see, this is my power bank, and here it is sealed from Too, and here it is written its features: 2-way dot charge, 30 watts and 15 layer circuit protection. You can use both ports to charge your device, and here you can use low current mode device. And here are the specs of this device, guys. Here, as you can see, the price of power bank is 3000, but I have purchased it at 1800 rupees. So here is the power bank, and let me cut it and let me open it and let me show you internal contents of this power bank. So it is completely sealed, as you can see, with plastic cover. So let me open it, guys. So let me cut it with this scissor. So I will cut it and I will be here, guys. So I have cut it, guys. So let me open the box. So here you will see the box, and it is like this. So it is completely unused, guys. Here, as you can see, this is Realme product, and here you will see the cable, and here you will see some user guide. So this is the user guide, and this power bank comes in the plastic wrapper. So let me take it out and let me check it, guys. So it is very good, guys. It is completely unused. So I am seeing here one scratch which is minor, so you can see here. So but the power bank is good and it is not damaged. It is completely unused. So here some texts are wiped, I don't know why. And here is the power bank, you can see. So I think there is no charging in this power bank. So I will charge it and give the review of this product. So we have got what we have ordered. Sometimes you may get another product, so in that case you can return without any issues. And this is the cable which supports 30 watts charging, so you can charge it with to your any 30 watt supported device. So here is the user guide, and I will give you review after using 1 hour. So guys, I have tried to connect it with my device, but it is not charging my device. So I think there is no charging in this power bank. So let me charge it for some time, then after I will tell you whether it is working or not. So if doesn't work, don't worry, you can return it. So if you order, then only, otherwise you can't return it. So this is 10,000 mAh. It will give you around 6,800 mAh capacity. So let us see what happens. I will hear after using it. So guys, I have returned that power bank guys, so that's why I'm not making any review video. So it take around 6 hours to fully charge that 10,000 mAh power bank. So that's why I think that it's not worth, and I have returned that power bank. So you can buy any adapter at that price range, around it will cost you 1400 or 1500, but you can't compare any power adapter or charger with that power bank. So you can carry power bank at anywhere. So anyway, the power bank is good, but price is very high, and I have purchased it from Too Good, which is refurbished. So I think that's why I have faced issue. So I have returned it. If you want to buy, you can buy it from Realme store or FLIPKART. So don't buy it from Too Good. So that's my review guys, and in my personal opinion, you can buy any other power bank such as mi power bank or any other. In market there are a lot of power bank available which supports fast charger around 25 watts or 30 watts. So Realme power bank doesn't worth at 1800 or 2000 rupees. So keep that money with you and you buy any other power banks which will give you around in 1500 rupees, and it also supports fast charging guys. And this video is shooted in Hyderabad, so there is COVID-19, so we are following all government rules. So at that time when I have recorded this video, there is no any lockdown or any curfew, and I have recorded this video in March or April. I didn't remember that. So to tell you people, I have uploading this video, so there is no any need of uploading this video, and you people can purchase that power bank or any power bank from FLIPKART. So you can also compare the differences between power bank in FLIPKART. So this is today's video guys. If you like our video, then you can like, otherwise you can dislike, and let me know the reason why you have disliked the video so that I can make changes in my upcoming videos. And thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting us. If you want more interesting videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. And this video is shooted in ECL Hyderabad, so everyone is following COVID-19 rules. So you also follow the COVID-19 rules and support our government. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Bye bye.